Hey guys, so the Verivault Chain KWTCN Wallet is distributing their Airdrop reward token to those that are going to be downloading the wallet and registering. So what you have to do is to download the wallet, register, and then you complete some little tasks which I'm going to show you right here in this video, and afterwards you are going to be receiving an instant reward of the VERV token right here in this wallet. Okay, so and this is equivalent to what you are going to be receiving. So this is the VERV token you are going to be receiving, and this is the current price of this VERV token. All right, so what you'll be doing here for now is to download the wallet, follow the registration guide I'm going to show in this video, and then wait for the next update on how to claim. All right, and ensure that you stay updated in the Telegram group, so that whenever I am dropping the next video on what to do in claiming this your reward, you are going to be notified on time, guys. All right, so let me show you how to go through the steps. So first of all, you use the link at the description of the video, and then afterwards you download the app from there, and then this is the interface of the app. So what you have to do is go ahead and click this create a wallet, create a new wallet right here. Okay, and afterwards it's going to take you to this step where you can create your mnemonics wallet phrase. So the mnemonic wallet phrase is just your 12 key phrase that you're going to be having, and afterwards just go ahead and click on create, and then you insert your 6-character words which will serve as a password for this app. Okay, so confirm the password afterwards, and then go ahead and click on this. Whenever you click on this I button, you can see your 12 key phrase that will be there. Ensure that you copy this 12 key phrase down, you write it down in a safe place. All right, and then afterwards, after you've seen this your 12 key phrase, just come over here and click on continue, and then this is your 12 key phrase that's going to show. Just go ahead and still click on the continue button right here, and then it's going to show you this way you can back up the wallet. Now you can decide to back up the wallet manually. All right, when you click on this backup, it's going to show you, take you to the next section where you can back up your wallet. You can also do it later on. All right, so if you click on this, you can do it, you can continue with the backup process, which is just confirming your 12 key phrase with some letters, and then afterwards the process is gonna be registered successfully. Okay, and then you can, after registration, it's going to open up the new tab. This is the interface that's going to show, and then this VERV reward here is going to be given to you after registration. Now for you to be able to claim this, you have to perform some little tasks. You have to follow them on their Telegram group, and also to stay updated in their Twitter handle, so that whenever they are updating the app, you can be able to swap your tokens right here. All right, so for now they are distributing this reward for those of you that are gonna be performing these little tasks while you wait for when the swapping is gonna take place, for you to be able to swap your VERV tokens to USDT for withdrawal. All right, as soon as you get your airdrop, your VERV airdrop reward, just look right here at the tax section and ensure you complete this tax button. You click on it, you see available tax here for you to do. So kindly ensure that you follow them in their UX handle. You also join their Telegram group. You also join their YouTube channel, so that you can stay updated. And each of these tasks that you do is going to add up 200 VERV tokens. Here the Telegram group has 200 VERV token. Here the X tax has 200 VERV token, and also the YouTube tax has 200 VERV token. So in other words, you are going to be receiving up to 1,000 worth of these VERV tokens. All right, so you're going to be receiving 1,000 rewards. In addition to this, your balance here is going to be increased, and then this your VERV token here is also going to be increased by performing those tasks. All right, so as soon as the swapping begins, the team has announced that there will be a major update that is going to add that's going to bring in the swap features where you can swap these VERV tokens to USDT. All right, so if you click on this, when the update begins, you have to click on this the VERV section. There should be a swap section right here for you to, in the next update that will be dropping here, that'll be dropping next for this chain, this wallet airdrop. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.